Namaste children, welcome to today's maths class. We are discussing the class chapter 6, Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. In the previous class we studied how to find the multiples and how to identify the common multiples, what are common multiples, which is the least or smallest or first common multiple of the two or more than two numbers. Today we will discuss page number 91, common multiples. Think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in the red circle. If it is a multiple of 5, write it in the blue circle. You see here, one blue circle and one red circle is given. So here in red circle we have to write the multiples of 3. And in blue circle we have to write the multiples of 5. If you observe the figure, yes, there is some space which is common for both the circles, which is given in purple color. Yes, this purple color. What we use this purple color space? Yes, exactly. The common multiples of 3 and 5 we use this space to write the common multiples of 3 and 5. Where do I write 15? It is a multiple of both 3 and 5. So we know 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. Where I have to write? Yes, we studied it is a common multiple of 3 and 5. Write it in the purple part. Now how to write? So think a number 1. 1 is not a multiple of 3 or 5. So leave it. Then take 2. Similarly, 2 is also not a multiple of 3 and 5. Then take 3. Yes, 3 is a multiple of 3 but not 5. So write in the red circle. Then 5, so 4. 4 is not a multiple of 3 and 5. Next 5. Yes, 5 is a multiple of 5. Write in the blue circle. 6 is a multiple of 3. Write in the red circle. Then 7 and 8 both are not the multiples of 3 and 5. Then 9 is a multiple of 3. Write in the red circle. Then 10, yes, 10 is a multiple of 5. Write in the blue circle. Then 11 is not neither multiple of 3 or 5. So leave it. The next number is 12. Yes, 12 is a multiple of 3. Right? 12 in the red circle. Then 13 and 14, no, they are not multiples of either 3 or 5. Then 15, yes, 15 is a multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 5. So we will write 15 in the common space, that is, which is in purple color. There we will write 15. Yes, next, like this you continue. 16 and 17 is not a multiple of 3 or 5. Then 18 is a multiple of 3. Write in the red circle. Then 19 is not a multiple of 3 or 5. Leave it. Then go for 20. 20 is a multiple of 5. Write in the blue circle. Then 21 is a multiple of 3. Write in the red circle. 22 and 23, they are not the multiples of 3 and 5. So leave it. Then 24, it is a multiple of 3. Write in the red circle. Then 25, it is a multiple of 5. Write in the blue circle. 26 is not a multiple of 3 or 5. Therefore leave it. Then next number is 27. 27 is a multiple of 3. Write in the red circle. Then 28 and 29 are the not multiples of 3 and 5. You leave them. Then 30 is a multiple of 3 as well as 5. So we will write 30 in the common space, that is purple space. Like that we will write the multiples of 3 in the red circle and multiples of 5 in the blue circle. So if you observe, we are writing the common multiples in the purple color like 15, 30, 45 and so on. They are the common multiples of 3. So the first common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. The least common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. The smallest common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15 only. Yes, 15, 30, 45. Next, what is the common multiple, children? 60. Then 75. So like this, we will play this game. Now down here some questions are there. Some numbers are multiples of both 3 and 5. So we can say that they are common to both 3 and 5. So we will call those multiples are what? Common multiples. Think if you write the multiples common to 3 and 5 in the purple part, then will they still be in both the red and the blue circles? No, they are present only in the purple part, not in the remaining part of the red circle or in the remaining part of the blue circle. They are present only in the common part of the both the circles. Now, which is the smallest among these common multiples? Yes, it is 15. Repeat the game using the numbers 2 and 7. So you write the multiples of 2 in the circles like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 and so on. Similarly, the multiples of 7 you write 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and 42 in the circles. Wherever the common multiples you find, like see 14 you will find 28, 42, 56 and 70 and so on. Write these multiples in the common space of those two circles. Yes, this you can do as your work. That is, repeat the game by using the numbers 2 and 7. Not only 2 and 7, even you can take 3 and 7 or 4 and 9. Like this, different numbers you take and you write the common multiples using these circles. Is it clear, children? Now we'll discuss page number 92. So repeat the game which we played for the numbers 3 and 5 by putting the multiples of 4, 6 and 5 in the circles. So here 3 numbers. The previous we studied 2 numbers, multiples of 2 numbers and their common multiples. Here 3 numbers like 4, 6 and 5. Write all the multiples of 4 in red color. Here R stands for red color. And write all the multiples of 5 in the blue color. And write the multiples of 6 in the yellow color circle. This is blue color circle. And this is purple color circle. This space, what for we use, children? Yes, it is to write the common multiples of 4 and 5 or 5 and 4. And this is green in color. This space we use to write the common multiples of what? 5 and 6. Now where do we write the common multiples of 4 and 6, children? Yes, this space which is orange in color. So this orange color part we use to write the common multiples of 4 and 6. Then this is the space where it is left over. This is common for all the 3 circles. So what for we use this common space? Yes, we use this common space to write the common multiples of all the 3 numbers. That is 4, 5 and 6. It is in grey color. It is in the grey color. Is it clear, children? Now start. After writing these multiples, we have to answer these 4 questions. So start with number 1. 1, 2, 3. They are not the multiples of either 4 or 6 or 5. So 4. 4 is the multiple of 4 only. So write 4. 5 is a multiple of 5 only. 6 is a multiple of 6 only. Then 7, 8. 7 is not a multiple of any of the 3 numbers. 8 is a multiple of 4 only. So write this red circle in the red circle. 9 is not a multiple of any of the numbers. 10 is a multiple of 5. Then 11 is not a multiple of any of the number. 12 is a multiple of 4 as well as 6. 12, so write in the orange part, which is the common multiple of 4 and 6. Then 13, 14. both are not the multiples of any of the numbers. 15, yes, 15 is a multiple of 5, right in the blue circle. 16, it is a multiple of 4 only, right in the red circle. 17, it is not a multiple of any of the numbers. 18, 18 is a multiple of 6, so right in the yellow color. 19 is not a multiple of any of the 4 numbers. 20, yes, 20 is a multiple of 4 as well as 5. 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. So 20 right in the purple color. 21, no, it is not a multiple of any of the numbers. 22 it is not. 23 is also not. 24. Again 24 is a common multiple for both 4 and 6. So write 24 at here. Then 25 is a multiple of 25, right in the blue circle. 26, no. 27, no. 28, yes. 28 is a multiple of 4, right in the red circle. Now 29, no. 30, yes. 30 is a common multiple for, yes, 5 and 6. So write at here 30. Then 31, no. 32, yes. It is a multiple of 4, right in the red circle. 33, no. 34, no. 35. So 35 is a multiple of 5 only, right in the blue circle. 36, yes. Again 36 is a common multiple of both what 4 and 6, right in this case. 37, 38, 39, then 40, yes. 40 is a multiple of 5. 40 is a multiple of 5. 41, no. 42. 42 it is a multiple of 6. Yes. 42 is a multiple of 6. Then 43, no. 44. 44 is a multiple of 4, right in the red circle. 45 is a multiple of 5. Then 46, no. 47, no. 48. Again 48 is a multiple of both. What it is? 4 and 6, right in that common part. 49, no. 50, yes. 50 is a common multiple of, so it is a multiple of 5, not a common multiple, it's a multiple of 5. 51, no. 52, yes. 52 is a multiple of 4. 53, no. 54, again multiple of 6. 55, it's a multiple of what? 5. 56, multiple of 4. 57, no. 58, no. 59, no. 60. 60 is a multiple of 4. 60 is a multiple of 5. 60 is a multiple of 6. So 60 is the common multiple. So we will write 60 in the, this is grey color part. So the common multiple of 4, 6 and 5 we write in the grey color part. So the first and the least and the smallest common multiple of 4, 5, 6 is 16. Can you guess what is the next common multiple of 4, 6 and 5 children? Yes, it is 120. Can you guess what the next common multiple? It is 180. 60 plus 180. Similarly, we got only one common multiple 30. For what? For, yes, here 30 is the common multiple for 6 and 5. So next common multiple will be what? 60, but 60 is the common multiple for all the numbers. So after 60 it is 90. Then 120 is in here. Then it is 115. So here I wrote 20. So 40 is a multiple of both 4 and 5. 40 is a multiple of both 4 and 5. It's a common multiple. Like this, we will write the multiples of 4, 5, 6 in the respective circles, and we found some common multiples for 4 and 6, some common multiples for 4 and 5, some common multiples for 5 and 6, and some common multiples for all the three numbers 4, 5, 6. That is 60 and 120, etc., etc. Is it clear, children? Now answer these questions. The first question: what common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? What 5 and 6? Yes, this is green part. What common multiples we wrote? 30, 90, 150. 30, 90 and 150. We wrote in the green part. Yes, we wrote in the green part only. Next. What common multiples of 4 and 6 are written in the orange part? 4 and 6. What are the common multiples? 12, 24, 36, 48. 12, 24, 36, 48. Yes, they are written in the orange part only. Third question. In which colored part did you write the common multiples of 4, 6 and 5? Yes, this is which part it is? Yes, it is there in the grey part. In grey part. Grey part. Now the last question. What is the least common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? What is the least common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? That is, the least is first, smallest, 60. And 120 is there. This the least smallest is 60. 60 is the least common multiple of 4, 5, 6. It means 60 is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by all the three numbers 4, 5 and 6. That is the least common multiple of 4, 5 and 6. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now you see, here is a small puzzle, tamarind seeds. Here, this is a tamarind tree. Here, on this girl is collecting the tamarind seeds. Yes. Sunita took some tamarind imli seeds. She made groups of 5 with them and found that one seed was left over. She tried making groups of 6 and groups of 4. Each time one seed was left over. What is the smallest number of seeds that Sunita had? So Sunita, a girl, she collected some tamarind seeds and she is placing them in groups of 5, 4 and 6. And she found that each time one seed is left over. So what is the least number of seeds that Sunita had? It is 1 more than the least common multiple of 4, 5 and 6. Just now we found the least common multiple. The smallest common multiple of 4, 5 and 6 is 60. So 1 is left. So add 1 to that 60. We get 61. So 61 seeds are there with her. Suppose if 2 seeds are left over every time, then how many seeds are there with her? 60 plus 2, it is 62. If 3 seeds are left over, how many seeds are there with her? 60 plus 3, it is 63. Like this, we will find, first we have to find the least common multiple of that numbers, that is 4, 6 and 5. To that you add 1, thereby we can find the number of tamarind seeds which Sunita had. Is it clear, children? Thank you very much.